Okay, I wanted to do a quick review of the Black+Decker lithium-ion dustbuster, 14.4 volts. This is just an amazing dustbuster. It has awesome suction power. It goes non-stop, and yeah, it's awesome. I wouldn't mess around with anything else. Only two complaints are how bright the LED light is and how loud it is. So I'm going to show you what I've done on the LED light. Basically, what you can do is take a black Sharpie and basically draw on there. What you want to do is probably use like masking tape or scotch tape. Notice here how I have a little dot on the outside edge, but it blocks out the light pretty well. You just end up with a blue ring. You have to do it over a couple of days because the Sharpie, if it's still even remotely dry, will smudge and wipe off the Sharpie underneath of it, showing the blue light again. So dab it on. I kind of do like dots basically, and then let it dry for a day, and then come back and do a couple more dots until it's as dark as you want. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you is how loud this thing is. It is loud, but it does the job really well. So I'm going to show you a decibel meter so you can kind of see. Okay, right now we're at normal conversation. And I'm just going to turn it on, move it around a little bit, and give you a sense of how loud it is. Okay, so peaked up around 98 decibels. It's definitely louder than conversation. You know, you can't really talk very well over it, but to have the suction power and just the the ongoing battery is well worth it. I think it's an awesome device. Definitely recommend it.